Hello friends, welcome to Fresh Tech YouTube channel.
Hello dear friends, welcome to SKD Tuts Design Effects. Today I will show you how to create a beautiful sphere glob design in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch this video up to end. It wields very interesting explanation of transformation tools and how to create shape into a simple pattern. So let's get started. First open your Adobe Illustrator, then select Ellipse Tools and draw a circle holding Alt key. Input the size of circle as you like. Now off the stroke. Then go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Select Transform. One transform window will open. Then make the changes following my steps. Now click on OK. Again go to Effect menu, Distort and Transform. This time select Pucker and Bloat option. One Pucker and Bloat window will open, and change the bloat size 180px. And click on OK. Now your shape will look like this. Again go to Effect menu, Distort and Transform. Select Transform option. This time one warning window will open. Simply click on Apply New Effect. Then Transform window will open. Now make changes following my steps. Now change the color of pattern as white. Go and select Symbol options. One symbol window will open. Click on New Symbol. Give name as you like. And change type as graphic. Then click on OK. Now our symbol pattern is ready. You can delete main pattern shape. Now go to Ellipse Tools. Draw a circle, holding Alt key. Give size is width 400p into 400px. Now change the color of circle as you like. Select Direct Selection tool. Now select one of vertex, and press Delete. Now go to Effect. Select 3D, then Revolve option. One revolve window will open. Make the changes following my steps. Now click on Map Art. One Map Art window will open. Now select Symbol from drop-down menu and make little bit adjustment following my steps. Now click on OK. You can see the effect result on your drawing board. This is how you can draw or create a beautiful sphere design using some simple tools and effects. Dear friends, if you like my video, please subscribe on my channel and click on bell icon so you can get notifications for my new video. Dear friends and follower, now give me permission for leave. Again I will meet you in my next video. Thanks for watching my video.